Ever felt that surge of excitement when your crypto investments are doing well, only to be hit with a wave of confusion when it's time to actually access those gains? You've bought, you've held, maybe you've even traded a bit, and now you're sitting on some digital assets in your Wealthsimple account. But how do you turn those digital numbers into something tangible, something you can use? Whether you're looking to cash out some profits, move your crypto to a different wallet for more control, or even diversify your holdings across various platforms, the process of withdrawing your crypto from Wealthsimple can seem a little opaque at first. It's a common hurdle for many crypto investors, regardless of experience level. Unlike traditional banking where a simple transfer gets funds from A to B, the world of cryptocurrency has its own set of rules, addresses, networks, and, yes, even a few potential pitfalls. Misunderstand a small detail, and your funds could end up lost in the digital ether, or at the very least, severely delayed. And with a platform like Wealthsimple, known for its user-friendly interface in traditional investing, the crypto side might have a few nuances that aren't immediately obvious. Are there fees involved? What are the limits? How long does it actually take? These are all valid questions that can make the withdrawal process feel daunting. But fear not. This isn't some complex blockchain puzzle requiring advanced coding skills. Wealthsimple has designed its platform to be as straightforward as possible, even for crypto. The key is understanding the steps, knowing what information you need, and being aware of the different withdrawal options available to you. We're going to break down the entire process, demystify the jargon, and equip you with the knowledge to confidently withdraw your crypto from Wealthsimple. We'll cover everything from preparing your account and understanding the different withdrawal methods to navigating potential issues and ensuring a smooth, secure transfer of your digital assets. So, if you're ready to unlock the value of your Wealthsimple crypto and take control of your digital wealth, let's dive in. The first crucial step before initiating any withdrawal is to understand the two primary ways you can withdraw your crypto from Wealthsimple. It's not always about converting it directly to fiat currency like Canadian dollars and sending it to your bank account. Sometimes, you might want to move it to another cryptocurrency wallet you own, perhaps a hardware wallet for enhanced security, or a different exchange where you plan to trade other altcoins not available on Wealthsimple. Option 1. Selling crypto for cash and withdrawing to your bank account. This is often what people think of when they say withdraw. It's about converting your crypto back into traditional money that you can then spend or save. Here's a detailed breakdown of the steps. Sell your cryptocurrency. Log into your Wealthsimple app. This is where the magic happens. Navigate to your crypto account. You'll see your various holdings listed. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to sell. For example, if you have Bitcoin and want to sell it, tap on Bitcoin. Tap on Trade or Sell. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on the app version, but it will be clearly indicated. Enter the amount you wish to sell. You can choose to sell a specific dollar amount or a specific quantity of the cryptocurrency. Double-check your numbers to avoid any accidental sales. Review the order details. Wealthsimple will show you the current market price, the estimated proceeds, and any applicable fees. It's crucial to review this carefully before confirming. Wealthsimple typically charges an operations fee, which is a spread on the price, usually ranging from 1.5% to 2.0%. There are generally no direct commission fees for selling. Confirm the sale. Once you're satisfied with the details, confirm the transaction. Your cryptocurrency will be sold, and the equivalent Canadian dollar amount will be added to your available cash balance within your Wealthsimple account. Initiate a cash withdrawal to your bank account. Go to the Move tab at the bottom of your Wealthsimple app. This is your hub for all money movement. Select Withdraw Funds. Choose the account you want to withdraw from. In this case, it will likely be your crypto account or your cash account if the funds from the sale have already settled there. Select your linked bank account. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you'll need to do that first. Wealthsimple requires a linked Canadian bank account for withdrawals. The process usually involves providing your institution number, transit number, and account number. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Be mindful of any daily or weekly withdrawal limits Wealthsimple might impose. For cash withdrawals from crypto proceeds, standard withdrawal limits apply. Wealthsimple states that standard withdrawals can take 1 to 3 business days, though in some cases, it might take up to 5 business days. They also offer instant withdrawals via linked Visa debit cards for a 2.5% fee on the total withdrawal amount, which can be useful if you need the funds immediately. Review the withdrawal details. Double-check the amount and the destination bank account. Confirm the withdrawal. Once confirmed, the funds will be processed and sent to your linked bank account. Option 2. Transferring cryptocurrency to an external wallet. This method is for those who want to move their actual cryptocurrency tokens to another wallet they control, rather than selling them for fiat. This is particularly useful if you want to self-custody your crypto, use decentralized applications, dApps, or trade on other exchanges. Here's the step-by-step guide. Understand supported cryptocurrencies for withdrawal. Not all cryptocurrencies available for trading on Wealthsimple are necessarily available for direct external wallet transfers. Wealthsimple supports a growing list of cryptocurrencies for transfer, including major ones like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, along with over 100 other cryptocurrencies. Before you attempt to transfer, ensure the specific coin you want to withdraw is supported for external transfers. You can usually find this information within the Wealthsimple app's crypto section or their help center. Ensure your crypto is withdrawable. When you deposit funds into Wealthsimple or buy crypto, there might be a short holding period before you can withdraw it to an external wallet. This is for security and to allow for funds to settle. Check your Wealthsimple account for any pending holds on your crypto. Obtain your external wallet address. This is the most critical step and where precision is paramount. You need the correct deposit address from your external wallet or the exchange you're sending the crypto to. Select the correct cryptocurrency. Make sure the address you copy is for the exact same cryptocurrency you're withdrawing from Wealthsimple, e.g., a Bitcoin address for Bitcoin, an Ethereum address for Ethereum. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.